I will break this down by field and provide key recommendations for necessary certifications. One of the most common questions I get is, for a mechanical engineer, it's not a straightforward answer. Hey guys, welcome to the Engineer-Millionaire channel, where we talk about the work and life of engineers. I'm Alex, a professional engineer and a certified professional career coach for engineers. One of the most common questions I get is, what certifications do I need to work for international companies worldwide? So, for a mechanical engineer, it's not a straightforward answer because this field covers many different areas, right? So this includes pipelines, vessels, tanks, heat exchangers, valves, pumps, compressors, turbines, fans, and much more. There are also various fields of work such as design, construction, inspection, maintenance, reliability, and so on. For instance, you could be a mechanical engineer specializing in pipeline design, or reliability of rotating equipment, or maintenance and repair of gas turbines. Each of these roles has different job requirements and certification needed.
Sending hundreds of resumes but not getting any response? EngineerNow is a platform for creating resumes for engineers of all professions. The most crucial aspect of a technical specialist's resume is their professional skills. On the EngineerNow platform, technical skills and competencies for almost all engineering professions have been manually selected, and you can add them to your resume with just one click. In today's world, most companies use AI algorithms to screen resumes, so even the format of your resume matters during the selection process. EngineerNow uses formats tested over the years on hundreds of engineers. Use what truly works.
I will break this down by field and provide key recommendations for necessary certifications. So if you're a mechanical engineer in the oil and gas industry, having API certifications such as API 570, which is Pipeline Inspector, is often a significant advantage or even a requirement. These certifications are essential for engineers involved in equipment construction and repair to ensure compliance with international standards. For mechanical engineers working with static equipment like pipelines, tanks, and pressure vessels, as well as those involved in non-destructive testing, actually, API certifications are also beneficial. If your role is in maintenance and reliability, you need certifications such as CMRP, Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, CRL, Certified Reliability Leader, and CRE, Certified Reliability Engineer. By the way, guys, if I missed any certifications or if you have questions, please leave a comment. I'll be sure to read and respond. For mechanical engineers specializing in rotating equipment like me, available certifications is in vibration analysis, ideally at the CAT level 2 or 3 according to the international ISO standard. If you are a design engineer, proficiency in specialized software such as AVEVA, SmartPlant 3D, Cesar, AutoCAD, Navisworks, ANSYS, and others is crucial. Additionally, enhancing your qualifications with a master's degree, which can now be done online from home, is a big advantage. I will discuss actually this in more detail in the next video, so make sure to subscribe and like this video. Another significant advantage is professional engineer status, such as becoming a chartered engineer in the UK, or similar statuses like PE, PEng, or international professional engineer in other countries. Good luck and see you in the next video. Bye bye.